in today's minute later, may eating something. It is Mentos. Snap po di mo tongue. It is beautiful slippers. Here. Okay, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Guys, ito po ang bathroom ko. Ang slippers. Ito, I speak Tagalog. Of Tagalog, guys. Alinaw. Take what you speak. Oh, I'm gonna show you something first. Well, I got some bunch of candies. Some bunch of candies. I got a Mentos too and lollipops. I got Pudgy too. Just candy. What's great for you?